ang iyong pagdaramdam, italangin mo sa may kapal na sa puso mo ay mawala ng lubusan. Thank you po sa inyong mag-ina. Thank you so much, Ma'am Rebecca Velasco. Thank you so much. This is Stuart Cross. One very nice song, Ma'am. Thank you so much, Karen Ibanez. Don't say goodbye and please love me now. Don't forget to play the song. Thank you so much for coming. Nice meeting you. And here, thank you so much, Ma'am Josephine. Hello, may gabi, mga Bisaya. Sa dikti, ang buhay ay kaniyan. Mayroong ligaya at numbay, at maghintay at may nakalaan.